Namaskar, greetings to all. We welcome you aboard this journey of reliving the story of Sai Ashraya. A story that is a testament to the power of pure love manifesting itself as selfless service. This series is a heartfelt offering, a tribute to all those people who have given us the golden opportunity to carry out seva and discover our true selves. In all our lives, there are some moments, some experiences that change the way we look at life. For all of us in Sai Ashraya, these life-changing experiences are an everyday occurrence, and hence this humble attempt to document some of them. Some of these precious chronicles of love. Dear listeners, these fleeting moments that become everlasting memories get etched in our hearts forever. They are verily an infinite source of inspiration, motivation, strength, and courage. Being a part of these experiences and also reliving them every day enables us to march ahead fearlessly as messengers of love carrying out selfless service. Dear listeners, let us now relive the story of the birth of Sai Ashraya. Dear listeners, multiple setbacks to my health put me in a situation where at one point I could not even move. I was asked to read the newspaper every day as part of an exercise. I would do this sincerely day after day. At that point in time, the most common thread was about the Syrian civil war. One day, reading one of these articles, I was moved to tears. I was inconsolable, and that is when my friend walked up to me and said, "Hey Sai, what is the point in crying endlessly? Why don't you just promise yourself that when you get well, whenever that is, you will go and personally meet these children and try and do something for them?" That day, dear listeners, I made a promise to myself. That became my motivation. And long story short, I did get well and eventually got the opportunity to go to the Syrian border and meet all these little children. Dear listeners, the time that I got to spend with these little children and the elders alike changed my life. Each day was filled with precious life lessons. Dear listeners, it was the last day of the seva at the Syrian border. With a heavy heart, I was packing my bags. The children too were sad that I was going to go back home to India. Some of them even took promises from me that I would come back and meet them sometime. The sun was going down. Everyone was going back to their tents. I was getting ready to leave, and that is when this little 5-year-old child came running to me and asked me this question. Her eyes were moist. I could clearly see the intensity in those little eyes, and she asked me this question in broken Arabic and English. She said, "Are there children like us in India too? Do you also give food to children like us in India?" Dear listeners, I was dumbfounded. I had no answer to give to this little child. With all the suffering that this child and all the children there were going through, she looked beyond herself, her family, and had the welfare of all the children in the world in her heart. That one question from that little angel, dear listeners, lit a spark in all our hearts. We resolved to make seva our life breath. Today, Sai Ashraya, working around the 4 pillars of food and nutrition, Medicare, Educare and Sociocare, has spread its wings far and wide, bringing happiness to millions of people. to know how this incredible saga of love and selfless service unfolded itself, to relive this great journey filled with precious life lessons which will enable us to discover our true selves. Tune in to Chronicles of Love. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.